In today's segment under metallurgy, I will be discussing about calcination and roasting. The concentrated ore must be converted into a form which is suitable for reduction. What do you mean by concentrated ore? The ore which is free from impurities. The sulfide ore is converted to oxide before reduction. Oxides are easier to reduce. Thus, isolation of metals from concentrated ore involves two major steps. One is conversion to oxide, the other one is reduction of the oxide to metal. Here under conversion to oxide, we will be discussing calcination and roasting. Calcination. Calcination involves heating when the volatile matter escapes, leaving behind the metal oxide. Calcination takes place in the absence of air or in a limited supply of air. Examples: Fe2O3 into XH2O gives Fe2O3 plus XH2O. ZnCO3 on heating gives ZnO plus CO2. CaCO3 into MgCO3 on heating gives CaO plus MgO plus CO2. Here the metal carbonates, they are converted into metal oxide. In the case of zinc carbonate, calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. Next is roasting. In roasting, the ore is heated in a regulated supply of air in a furnace at a temperature below the melting point of the metal. And here I will be explaining you few reactions. One is ZnS. Sulfide ores can be converted into suitable metal oxide in presence of regulated supply of air. ZnS, it gets converted to ZnO. PbS, it gets converted into PbO. Cu2s, it gets converted into Cu2O. In all these cases, you got SO2 as. Next is roasting. In roasting, the ore is heated in a regulated supply of air in a furnace at a temperature below the melting point of the metal. Here we can see some of the reactions involving sulfide ores. ZnS plus O2 gives ZnO plus SO2. PbS plus O2 gives PbO plus SO2. Cu2s plus O2 gives Cu2O plus SO2. The sulfide ores of copper, they are heated in reverberatory furnace. If the ore contains iron, it is mixed with silica. Before heating. Iron oxide, it slags out as iron silicate and the copper is produced in the form of copper matte. Copper matte means it is a combination of Cu2s and Fes. Here the sulfide ores of copper, they are heated in a reverberatory furnace. If the ore contains iron, it is mixed with silica before heating. Iron oxide slags off means it is removed as impurity. And copper is produced in the form of copper matte. Copper matte means it is a combination of Cu2s and Fes. FeO plus SiO2 gives FeSiO3. This is nothing but a slag. FeSiO3 is a slag. The sulfur dioxide produced is utilized for manufacturing H2SO4. The sulfur dioxide, which is produced as a byproduct under roasting, is used for the manufacture of H2SO4.